Hi all, very happy morning, happy afternoon, happy evening to every student who is watching this video. Now, this series is a special series which I started to help CAT 2020 aspirants and other management exam aspirants. We will start a special series that is nothing but the mock CAT series. What is these mock CAT series? I have observed in the last few days that there are extremely less number of videos in YouTube channel, or probably the institutes generally what they do is they conduct a mock CAT paper and they give the solution in the PDF format. Through my 15 years experience, I am going to take out Quant and an LRDI section, where I will be taking one session of Quant paper, then probably another session of LRDI paper. This series I will continue till August end, so that each and every student will understand right how to attempt an mock CAT paper, how to develop a strategy and everything. So right now this is nothing but we are at mock CAT 1 Quant paper analysis. Quant analysis. If those of you who want all these questions, right, please WhatsApp me at the end of the class. I will send you the PDF 80500-67891. Kindly WhatsApp these numbers so that you will get the questions in the PDF format. Right now, before you begin the class, there are few expectations from each and every viewer. The first expectation is, before seeing the solution, kindly pause the video. And solve it on your own. Solve the question on your own. Then you see the approach at which I am solving the question. And all the questions which I developed, I will be solving 34 questions. All these 34 questions are based upon the previous year CAT papers. Not the original questions of the CAT papers, but the questions which are created based upon a thorough understanding of the examination. 34 questions I will be solving it, right, purely based on CAT paper. And if any student is preparing for, are you the one who is preparing for CAT 2020 exam and XAT 2020 exam, this is a must-watch series for each one of you. So that you will understand how the examiner prepares the question, how you should attack the question. This is not a strategy session. This is a complete video solution for all the 34 questions of mock CAT 1. So what we'll do is, we will go with every week 4 mock CAT 34 questions video series, so that probably in the month of July end, by the end of the July end, you will have good number of about close to 16 mock CAT video solutions and everything. And the questions will be of CAT level. Right? In case if you are a student who are expecting some basic questions to come, very less basic questions will be there. As you know, the last year CAT was more of a logical paper rather than the formula paper, right? So all the questions will be of intermediate to advanced level. So what I will do is, I will take up a question, I will discuss the concept that is used in the question, then I will solve the question. So each and every class 34 questions, just I am setting the rhythm right. Mock CAT 1 session it is. Now the questions will be a combination of number system. The questions will not be only from number system or arithmetic. That will do it in a sectional test. So the questions will be from number system. Questions will be from arithmetic. Questions will be from algebra. Questions will be from geometry and mensuration. And the questions will be from modern mathematics. So all the questions will be from these 5 topics. We will take separate mock cat quant, right, and mock cat LRDI separately. Number system, arithmetic, algebra, geometry and mensuration, modern maths, right. If you attend all the mock cat lectures of mine, you will be understanding all the various models that came in the cat paper, and you are extremely prepared, right, to attempt the mock cat paper. Most of the students who attend the class, what is taught in class is different from what comes in the mock cat paper. So the gap, I want to eliminate it through these video lectures. I hope you are all ready. I hope you are all ready. I think straight away we will get into the question. Kindly sit in the class with a notebook and a pen. Kindly sit in the class with a notebook and a pen. WhatsApp the number which is there on the PPT to get the PDF. Now, first question, why 34 questions we are discussing in the class? Because quant section has 34 questions, mock cat 1. Now first question, see here sir, read the question. First read the question. Number of persons who booked a ticket for a New Year's concert, it is a perfect square. There are some people, it seems, who are going for a New Year concert, and the number of people who booked the ticket, it is a perfect square. So it is a square. If 100 more persons book a ticket, if the number of people increases by 100, then the number of spectators would be perfect squares plus 1. So if 100 more people increases, so the audience count will be perfect square plus 1. This is the first thing. If still 100 more persons, so already the number of persons who booked the ticket are perfect square, 100 added. If still 100 more persons book a ticket, then the number of spectators will be a perfect square. These are two equations. A square plus 100 is p square plus 1. A square plus 200 is b square. So a square plus 200, it is nothing but b square. A square plus 200, it is nothing but b square. Now we will see a concept, then we will come back and solve this question. Concept. See here sir, this is something which good number of questions in the previous year cat paper came. X square minus y square equivalent to k. X square minus y square equivalent to k. Xy are integral values. Xy are integral values, right? If xy are integral values, x will be even, y will be even, or x will be odd, y will be odd, or x will be even, y will be odd, or x will be odd or y will be even. These are the 4 cases in integers. Integers could be an even integers, integers could be an odd integers. So these are nothing but x plus y into x minus y equivalent to k. Even plus even, it is nothing but an even number. Even minus even, it is nothing but an even number. 2 even numbers are multiplied. Any even number is of the form 2k1. 2k1 into 2k2. It is divisible by 4. Odd plus odd is even. Odd minus odd is also even. That means first two cases, if x is even, y is even, x is odd, y is odd, k is nothing but divisible by 4. K is nothing but divisible by 4. X is odd, y is odd, odd plus odd even, odd minus odd even. X is even, y is odd, even square minus odd square, even minus odd is odd. If x is odd, y is even, odd square minus even square, these are nothing but an odd number. That means x square minus y square equivalent to k, x square minus y square equivalent to k. This equation has integral solutions only if right hand side is a multiple of 4 or right hand side is an odd number. Right hand side is an odd number. Right, first we will write down that point. X square minus y square equivalent to k has integral solutions, only if k is divisible by 4 or k is an odd number. This is the first important conclusion. When the k will be divisible by 4, when k will be divisible by 4, when x plus y is an even number and x minus y is an even number. When x plus y will be even, when x is even, y is even. When x plus y will be Even when x is odd, y is odd. K is an odd number. Odd number means x is odd, y is even. Or x is even, y is odd. I hope this case is clear. Very, very important concept. Based upon this, some years before there was another CAT question. So what I did is, I took a CAT question, I wrote it out in my board, and I developed questions which may come in your examination. Do not leave any session of these mock CAT series. So what is that first statement? A square plus 100 is nothing but b square plus 1. Next one, 100 more are added. A square plus 100 plus 100 is b square. So b square minus a square, which is nothing but 200. These is nothing but b plus a into b minus a. It is nothing but 200. I hope it is clear. Now 200 is a multiple of 4. 200 is a multiple of 4. Now 200, if you see, 200, b plus a and b are integers. That means b plus a should be greater than b minus a. B plus a should be greater than b minus a. Now see, how can you factorize? It is 200 into 1. These are nothing but 100 into 2. These are nothing but 50 into 4. These are nothing but 25 into 8. 25 into 8. These are nothing but 20 into 10. 200 is nothing but 200 is 2 into 100, which is 2 square into 5 square, which is 2 cube into 5 square. So 4 into 3, total 12 factors I should get. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. That means one more factor it is missing. 5 into 40. 40 into 5. 40 into 5. I hope it is clear. B plus a should be greater than b minus a. Why? Because a and b are integers. Now, this is 200 is divisible by 4. That means b plus a should be even. B minus a should be even. This case not possible. So, both should be even. This case not possible. This case not possible. Now, if I take b plus a as 100, b plus a as 100, and b minus a as 2. That means adding 2b equivalent to 102. B is nothing but 51. If b is nothing but 51, a is nothing but 49. A is nothing but 49. What is the first condition? A square plus 100 is nothing but perfect square plus 1. P square is 49 square. 2401 plus 100. Minus 1 is nothing but p square. 2500 is a perfect square. Definitely this is satisfying. This is satisfying. 100 into 2 is satisfying the question. Now even if you check 50 into 4, b plus a 50, b minus a 4, 2b is 54, b is 27, b is 27. So a is nothing but 20. B minus a is 4. So b is 23. 23 square plus 100. 529 plus 100. 629 minus 1. 628 is not a perfect square. Like that you can eliminate the cases. So how many people have booked the ticket? A is the number of people who booked the ticket. 49 people have booked the ticket. Very easy question. Very number system based question. Number system based question. Only thing, students get intimidated because of the length of the question that is there. Nothing is there. The number of people who book the ticket is right, is a perfect square, so it is a square. 100 more are added, it will become 1 plus perfect square. If 100 more are added, it is a perfect square. If you do not know this concept, here you will go for the enumeration. You will do for 100 into 2, you will do for 200 into 1. You can eliminate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 calculations if you can eliminate it if you know this concept. What is the concept that is used in this question? X square minus y square equivalent to k. This equation has integral solutions only if the right hand side is divisible by 4 and the right hand side is an odd number. Question number 1, I hope it is clear along with the concept. The reason why I am stressing upon the concept is Concept is the king. Once you learn all the concepts through these 34 questions, then your confidence of looking at a question will increase. I hope the idea it is clear, right? So this x square minus y square, one sample question. The best thing about experience is I can create questions on the spot and I can help you to understand the concept very clearly. This was the original CAT question. 9876543210. X and y are natural numbers. How many values x comma y can take? How many values x comma y can take? Just now we discussed x square minus y square equivalent to k. X square minus y square equivalent to k. These equation has integral solutions only if right hand side k, it is divisible by 4 and k is nothing but an odd number. So it should be divisible by 4. 10 is 4 into 2 plus 2. It is not divisible by 4. So answer is no value of x comma y. No value of x comma y exists. Many of the students, when they attempted this CAT paper some 4 years before, many websites, many social platforms also said that this question is a very difficult question because of enumeration. No beta, it is a very easy 5 seconds question if you know this concept. X square minus y square equivalent to k. This equation has integral solutions only if k is divisible by 4 and k is an odd number. Question number 1, concept, approach and an example. I hope it is clear. Question number 2. Another question. This question is neither the unit digit nor the counting problem. It is a combination of all the problems. If the last digit of the product, so 1 into 2. 1 into 2 is nothing but 2. 2 into 3. Last digit only we require, which is the unit digit. 3 into 4 is nothing but 12, which is nothing but 2. 4 into 5 is nothing but 20. 20 unit digit is 0. 5 into 6 is nothing but 30. 30 again 0. Now let me write here so that you will understand the pattern. 6 sevens are 42. 7 eights are 56. 8 nines are 72. 9 tens are 90. Unit digit. 10 11s are 110. Again 0. That means if you observe 26200. 26200, these unit digits are getting repeated. How many cycles it is becoming? So the cyclicity is 5. The cyclicity, it is nothing but 1 plus cyclicity is for every groups of 5 consecutive, the value it is nothing but 5. So what is the sum of this? Sum of these is nothing but 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. That means every group of 5 consecutive integers is giving you sum 10. Every group it is giving you sum 10. The total sum of the unit digit is 2010. Every group of 5 it is giving you 10. Like that 201 groups. 201 groups. 201 into 10 is nothing but 2010. First group, fifth, it is ending with 5 into 1. Second group, it is 5 into 2. 201th group, it is 1005 into 1006. Next it is 1004 into 1005. Next it is 1003 into 1004. Next it is 1002 into 1003. Next it is 1001 into 1002. I hope it is clear. So this is the first group, second group. Total 201 groups are there. Total 201 groups are there. Each group sum is 10. Each sum of the group is nothing but 10. Total 201 into 10 is 2010. I hope it is clear. These again nothing but 2. These nothing but 6. These nothing but 2. These 0. These 0. These one question where most of the students will do a silly mistake. Knowingly or unknowingly. This process you can do it. So immediately you will tick mark the answer as how many products are used. You will tick mark the option as 1005 because till 1005 you got sum as 2010. But see here, wantedly I kept this question because I wanted to tell you, right, these sum is 0. That means till here also the sum is 2010. 2010 plus 0, it is 2010. Plus 0, it is also 2010. So, how many products are used? Till here, it can be used. 1003 groups can be used. These unit digit is 0. So, these also can be used. So, answer is not 1005. How many products are used? Not 1005 products. It could be 1003 products and 1004 products. Because 1005th product is 1005 into 1006. Unit digit is 0. 2010 plus 0 is nothing but 0. These also nothing but 0. So, you can take till here, or you can take till here, or you can take till here. 99.99% of the students in hurry, impatient students will tick mark 1005 and they will tell their friend that this question is an easy question and I got 1005. There is another option 1003. There is an option 1003, 1004 and 1005. Be extremely careful. Be extremely careful while solving counting related problems. Extremely careful. Read the question twice. Read the question twice so that you will get an idea. I hope the idea it is clear. How many products are used? 1003, 1004 and 1005. Second question, I hope it is clear. Third one. Beautiful question, sir. This is probably the, what is the remainder when 2 power 32 is divided by 641? Before seeing the solution, pause the video and try to solve it. Negative remainder. If you use a negative remainder, it will be very time consuming. If 641 is a prime number or a composite number, if you use any theorems, these also will be time consuming. These also will be time consuming, right? This is the doubt asked by a student 2 years before. Sir, can you please tell me, right? 2 power 2 power 2 power n plus 1, right? These prime or composite. If it is composite, why it is 2 power 32 plus 1 is composite? This was the doubt asked by a student some years before. So, I developed a question for this. Neither the negative remainder nor any of the theorems will solve this question very fast. Now, see, how am I going to solve this question? What is the remainder when 2 power 32 is divided by 641? 641. There is a speciality with respect to 641. These are nothing but 640 plus 1. These are nothing but 5 into 128 plus 1. These are nothing but 5 into 2 power 7 plus 1. 128 into 5 is 640 plus 1. Now see here. Remainder when 640 divided by 641. 641 ones are 641. It is minus 1. These are nothing but 5 into 2 power 7 divided by 641. These are nothing but minus 1. Do power 4 on both the sides. So this will become 5 power 4 into 2 power 28 divided by 641. Minus 1 power 4 is nothing but 1. 5 power 4 is 625. 625 divided by 641 is minus 16. So, minus 2 power 4 into 2 power 28 divided by 641. It is nothing but 1. These nothing but a remainder of 2 power 32 divided by 641. Minus multiplication. It is minus 1. Minus 1 means positive remainder will be 640. Positive remainder will be 640. I hope the idea it is clear. 641 it is nothing but 5 into 128 plus 1. So 640 divided by 641 is minus 1. 640 is 5 into 2 power 7. So I did power 4 both the sides. Power 4 both the sides. 5 power 4 into 2 power 28. 625 divided by 641 is minus 2 power 4. Minus if I multiply 2 power 32 by 641 is minus 1. So minus 1 is nothing but positive remainder 640. Probably one of the best questions in geometry reminders, sir. One of the best questions in reminders. One of the best questions in reminders where if you understand how to write 641 as 5 into 128 plus 1, you will get the answer very, very easily. Question number 3. Question number 3 is on reminders. Question number 2 is on counting. Question number 1 is on algebraic integral solution. Question number 4. Question number 4. Now see here. First we will see the concept. First concept. How many integers may be the measure in the degree of the angle of a regular polygon? He is asking in the degree of the angle. Angle means interior angle. Interior angle in degrees. How many integral values it can take in a regular polygon? Polygon is nothing but n greater than or equivalent to 3. N is nothing but the number of sides. Polygon is nothing but an n-sided closed figure, n greater than or equivalent to 3. First point. Next point. Sum of all interior angles. Sum of all interior angles. Sum of all interior angles in a convex polygon. Sum of all interior angles in convex polygon of n sides. It is given by n minus 2 into 180 degrees. N minus 2 into 180 degrees. Why it is n minus 2 into 180 degrees? If there is a four-sided closed figure. If there is a four-sided closed figure. Take any point, join the non-adjacent. How many triangles I got? 2 triangles I got. If it is a 5-sided figure. Take a point, join the non-adjacent. How many triangles I got? 3 triangles I got. So, if I take a 4-sided figure, I got 2 triangles. If I take a 5-sided figure, I got 3 triangles. If I take an n-sided figure, I will get n minus 2 triangle. Triangle is nothing but, sum of the 3 angles in a triangle is nothing but 180. So, sum of all interior angles in a convex polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degrees. Each interior angle, for n sides it is n minus 2 into 180. Each interior angle it is n minus 2 into 180 by n. These nothing but 180n minus 360 by n. These nothing but 180 minus 360 by n. This is a question based on geometry. Each interior angle is given by 180 minus 360 by n. See here, sir. Each interior angle is nothing but 180 minus 360 by n. What is specified in the question? Interior angle should be an integer. Interior angle should be an integer. This should be an integer. 180 is an integer. 360 by n should be an integer. 360 by n is an integer. N should be a factor of 360. 360 is nothing but 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. So it is nothing but 4 into 3 into 2. So most of the students may tick mark 24 as the answer. But 24 is not the answer. Right? Why? Because polygon means n is greater than or equivalent to 3. So in that 24, n equivalent to 1 and n equivalent to 2, both should be eliminated. So how many integral values n will take? Right? What is how many integral values interior angle can take such that this equation is satisfied? For an interior angle to be an integer, n should be a factor of 360. I got 24 values. N value 1 and n value 2 both are eliminated. Why? Because a closed figure n greater than or equivalent to 3, it is a polygon. So fourth question is based on geometry. I hope the idea it is clear.